Hello friend, in today's video we will learn how to buy BTC inside the Binance exchange. So first of all, open Binance exchange, then deposit USDT to buy BTC if you don't have USDT in your Binance account. After that you have to click here. So as soon as you click here, after that you have to click here and select BTC. So I am clicking here. After that you can see here there are many coins available, so you will need to charge BTC here. So here I will charge BTC. So you can see here BTC USDT has come in. You have to click on it again. Then you have to select the option by doing more. Then it will be an instant buy. After that, click here and enter the amount of BTC you want to buy. So here I will enter $100 as an example. After that, you need to click on buy BTC, and this way you can buy BTC inside the Binance exchange.